Hello. Okay, back from the dentist today. Yay. Had a super duper cleaning on my teeth and x-rays and all that, and checked bite things, So I'm gonna have to have 2 root canals on the 12th. But I'll also be getting a bridge, so there's that. And I'm gonna get this little chip fixed over here on this tooth, and possibly a wisdom tooth pulled. I only have one left. And yeah, that's what my day has consisted of, is just being at the dentist. My mouth hurts right now. Ugh, why are cleaning so painful? They actually put some numbing gel on my gums because they're so sensitive all the time. I have just very sensitive gums, but anyway, got some stuff in the old PR today. So let's see what we got here. First thing I opened was from Colleen Rothschild Beauty, and this, I believe, is going to be a cleansing balm, but they sent me some nice little literature here about it, and a little, just information about the brand and all of that, and the product. Look how nicely packaged that is. I love when things come like this. I think this came through Octoly, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so we got a little headband. That's so cute. That's nice. I actually don't have one of these, so cool. So we got a little headband, and then we got the cleansing balm right here. This is the Radiant Cleansing Balm. You know I love freaking cleansing balms, and I just used up my last of the Clinique Take the Day Off, so I'm excited about this. Let's see what we got here in the box. Some more literature, a little card. Oh, what is this? What is this? Oh, that's a generous package. That's big. Cool. Nice. So I'm going to be testing that out today because I got waterproof mascara on. So we'll see how good it takes it off. It's the Clio that I'm wearing that's so bulletproof. So we got that. And then, what is this? Oh, is this it's a little muslin cleaning cloth for your face. Oh, how nice. Cool. I love little things like that. So I'm excited to try that out. Very nice. And then a lot of tissue paper, which I actually keep all my tissue paper because I use it. And I also keep my boxes when they're nice like this because I use them. And it's great for, when you have around Christmas time or birthdays, you just have extra tissue papers to throw it out. So I always hang on to that kind of stuff. And I have a whole box of, I never have to buy tissue paper. Let's put it that way, because PR. And yeah, this is a great box. So I'm going to hang on to that for storage. I can use that for some of my Halloween decorations. Cool. Next thing I got here is called Think Big, Not Dirty. This is a really nice box. I took it out of its big box that it came in. But I believe this is going to be a mascara. So let's figure out how to open this. Yes, it's from the beauty counter. It velcroed shut, and then you open it. Oh, how nice. Introducing the Think Big All-in-One Mascara from Beauty Counter. And we got some literature here. And oh, look, what lovely presentation. Very nice. So we got a new mascara to test out. Cool. This is really nice, heavy component too. Cool. I like that. That's such good packaging. It's just such a lovely yet minimal presentation. But yeah, I'm looking forward to testing that out. All right. Nice. Added to my Halloween little vignette here because I got my husband to get down my other Halloween boxes that I had in the attic. And so now I have this little ghost bowl and some little pumpkin mugs, a little tea set, and then we've added a pumpkin up there. Over here on my little wall, I put a pumpkin in the shelf and hung that up, and then we got some cute little cute little fall decor over here next to the good old air fryer. And I found some more of my little postcards to put up. So that looks really nice now. I've also added more in here. We got our little spooky house out, and another pumpkin, a little jack-o'-lantern, some things, and more things. Oh my goodness. There's no discernible theme here. It's just fall and Halloween decorations. I just wanted to put everything out and not worry about trying to be too themed out with it or anything. Just want to have fun. Put all the stuff out. So this is the update. I got some stuff going on right there. A little light up jack-o'-lantern. And over here we got this going on. And I hung this little eek sign up right there. And then right here we've got country kitties. So yeah, now I got a bunch of boxes I need to put away. And yeah, I think after that day at the dentist, I earned myself a treat because I can eat now. It's been 20 minutes because we did a little treatment for sensitivity. So I need this. Shh. And all I've had today was a smoothie, so I'm starving. My stomach's growling. But I got myself a little treat. My favorite treat. Combos. I freaking love combos. And my Biscoff Lotus cream cookies. And I also got some regular ones. And this is actually for Lila because I have 2 of them. And I found nail polish the same color as what I got on my nails because I just want to have some of my own. Because I love this color so much. I can't remember what brand is on my nails. I want to say it was Kira Skies, but I'm not 100%. But yeah, this one from Essie looks just about the same, and it is in the shade Take the Espresso, and it was the only one left on the shelf, so I grabbed it. So, yep. That's my day today. And you know what? I'm going to have me a little break. I'm going to play some Sims, listen to some videos, eat my snacks, and maybe do some editing or something. And, oh, the Alfredo I made last night. The Cajun style Alfredo. Oh, bitch, it came out so good. It was so yummy. And we have so much left over, so we're going to have that in a little while for dinner. But it's snack time right now. Snack and coffee. Hopefully my mouth doesn't hurt too bad to eat. My teeth don't hurt. It's just my gum lines. Or from the poking and the prodding. There's that one, like, fuzzy, pointy thing they get after you with that just... even with the numbing, it hurts, you know. But other than that, things were okay. Just got some, you know, the huge. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Morning. Okay, so we're getting ready to go head out to Natchitoches for a little trip. My friend Lila's got a doctor's appointment for her foot, so we're just gonna make us a little day of it. So yeah, I'm gonna take you along with me. we are back home. We had a good lunch, split a hamburger, good stuff, and we pooped. We walked from one end to the other, ended up happened to come upon a classic car show, which you saw some footage of. That was really, really nice. The Trans Am and that Charger. I want them. I like old sports cars. But anyway, or old like kind of muscle cars, I guess you call them. Yep. This is considering it's actually pretty warm today and very humid. I think my makeup held up pretty well, aside from a little bit of right there. But yeah, we went in a bunch of stores, looked around, window shopped. It was a lovely day. So yeah. Also, nails are gone. One popped off and nope, they all gotta go now. I can't stand it. Must pick them all off because I'm an animal. I know, it's terrible for my nails. My nails are already garbage anyway, so I mean, it's not like it's making much of a difference. But yeah, I'm gonna rest now and enjoy the rest of my day. But that was really, really a nice Friday afternoon. So see you guys in just a little bit. Back in the bathroom we are. It is time for bed. It's like midnight. I've been up way too long. I'm tired. But I wanted to show you using this new Colleen Rothschild face balm. Radiant Cleansing Balm. And I'm going to do my little double cleanse method. But yeah, I was going to show you how that performs. And I'm going to put my little headband on. My husband's very confused by this because he's never seen one before. He's like, what's that going on in your head? It's like, it's a headband so you don't get your hair wet while you're washing it. It's a little small for my big old melon here, but it'll do. Gets the job done. Poor little ears free. Okay. So I got a facelift. Just like, wow. It just pulled like every bit back. Alright, and I've got that, and I've got my little muslin cloth that we're gonna try out. I've never used one of these. I feel very fancy with this. Like it's like the Anna Edit or somebody who uses only muslin on their face, you know. I feel bougie. So, anyways, here's what we're looking like. We got the Beauty Counter mascara on, which was fantastic, by the way. Really good. Like, I'm impressed. I'd be impressed with this if it was like a regular mascara, and it's also a clean mascara. It's damn good. And we have the Huda Beauty Naughty Nudes on the eyes. L'Oreal Fresh Wear primer by Terry powder. Like, I've got a full bead on, and I've gotten very, very sweaty today. Look at my little nubbins. My nubbins. I painted them the same color as the nail polish, the Essie one I showed you. I think I kind of am not mad at having my little nubbins right now. I'm enjoying being able to like touch my face without stabbing it. I don't know. And I've got soap brows also, which are usually a little tricky to remove. So we'll see how it goes. This has a very medicinal type of smell. It almost smells like menthol-y, but not really. Like, it's definitely got like a skincare smell to it. It smells a lot like the Versed one, but this is a really generous package. And this, I do believe this is plastic, but it feels kind of like glass, and it's like frosted, so it makes you think of glass. I mean, that's a lot. Like, here's compared to my big old head. That's a good big product. Let's see if there's ounces on here. Comprehensive Radiant Cleansing Balm dissolves eye and face makeup, clears congested pores, removes impurities, leaving skin balanced, soft, and radiant. Place balm in clean, dry hands. Rub together to warm product. Apply to dry skin. Massage all over face. Wet muslin cloth and hand. Hot water and wring damp. Place over skin for a mini facial, then use to wipe off balm. Follow with a splash of cool water and leave your skin glowing. Can be used morning and night. Should we try it, not double cleanse, and see how it goes? I think we'll do that just because that's what it's saying to do. Try and find the ounces on here. Oh, they're on here, but I just can't see them. They're tiny. 100 mils. 3.3 ounces. So that's pretty good. Alright, let's take a little bit. It's very firm in here, but very, it feels like a lip balm or something. Very, very balmy. It's not nearly as stiff and firmly pressed as some of these cleansing balms can be. Like, some of them are like real hard. They come out kind of chunky. This one's very creamy. It feels like the Laneige lip balm almost. It's very, it's got that kind of more of a balmy, sticky texture. It's pretty cool. So, yeah, about that much. I like the way it feels. It's very, it melts to just an oil. Ooh, oh, look at that. Like, it doesn't leave all these chunky bits. Like, the Clinique Take the Day Off, you kind of get the bits that don't want to break down as quickly. And the same with the Pixie one, any of them. This one just turns into like a pure oil on your hands. Very thick and emollient feeling. Feels nice. Okay, let's go in. Ooh, very comforting on the skin. As almost like a warming but cooling sensation. Very nice. It feels really good. Okay, let's work it into these brows here. Try to get them removed. Oh, it's so much easier without nails. Alright, let's see how we go with the mascara. I'm testing my cleansing balm.
Are you filming?
Yeah. Oh, I'm just there talking to myself. Huh. Just talking to the mirror. Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. You can hear me or talking?
Yeah, I didn't know if you were filming though.
Yeah. So it does remove the mascara. I kind of like pinch my lashes. Like work the product in. And I don't think this is a waterproof mascara, but it is very long wearing. It was out in a lot of humidity today, and it had one teeny tiny smudge under my eye where my eye was watering. But it didn't flake or get anywhere. So it's a pretty long wearing product, so that's nice. And feels pretty easy to remove. This always takes me the longest. I'm trying to yank my lashes out. This is quality content. That's what you come here for. I love how Teresa's dad was joking about Michelle Wong and her LED like skin light treatment mask. Her OnlyFans would just be her wearing that mask on a chaise lounge. Or something like that. And I can't get that mental image out of my head. And I would pay for it. Meanwhile, you get this for free. I keep getting stuck together. Okay, let me wet this cloth and see how that goes. Alright, just got our cloth. Warm water wrung out. Let's we say massage our face with it to remove everything. Okay. I think that's the test is all really good. Full face of makeup. You ever wash your face and like find one spot you completely missed? Always right here by my nose ring. Every time. So I'm always trying to be gentle around it, not catch cloth on it. And yank it. Aside from a little bit of lash glue hanging out still, I think we got everything off. And actually a good chunk of that lash glue. Feels like very gently exfoliating. It's not like using a t-shirt or anything. It's kind of rough, but in a good way. It's still gentle. Very different than using like a face halo or makeup remover, makeup eraser. Here's what I usually use like in this step. Oh, I got the balm in my mouth and it feels really weird. It feels like I have oil in my mouth. I cannot do anything but get it in my mouth, apparently. That's what she said. Good thing I brushed my teeth after this. But yeah, wow, my face looks really clean. I think it did a good job. Didn't bother my eyes at all. They don't feel like they have a film over them. This got like balm all over it, and it kind of like soaks through the other side. But it's a nice experience. I don't feel like residual product on my face either. It feels quite nice. All right. Cool. Yeah, I don't feel like any greasiness left on my skin or anything like the balms usually tend to leave. So yeah, I'm thinking I can just throw this in the wash with the rest of my like face halos. Look at all the makeup. Oh my goodness. Okay. Yeah, skin feels good. Quite nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my skincare that I already showed you, I think, in this video. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.